Greetings everyone and welcome back. This is Marco and today we are comparing the Asahi Pentax M50mm 1.7 and the Asahi Pentax M50mm 1.4. These two lenses are very similar, but the 1.7 is just a bit smaller. It is 31 to 39mm long and it weighs 190 grams. The 1.4 is 37 to 45mm long and it weighs 220 grams. They both have an external diameter of 63mm and a 49mm front thread. They both have clicked apertures with half steps and they can close down to f22. The 1.7 has 6 blades in the iris and the 1.4 has 8. The focusing ring turns 230 degrees on the 1.7 and 210 degrees on the 1.4. It is also wider on the 1.4. Minimum focusing distance is 45 cm on both. The 1.4 has a wider field of view and, as expected, it is brighter. Sharpness is basically identical even wide open and in the corners. The 1.7 is maybe just a smidge sharper, but the 1.4 has more chromatic aberration. Color, contrast, saturation are all the same and speckle highlights are just a tiny bit smoother on the 1.4. Flares and ghosting are very well controlled on both, but the 1.4 does produce a small blue flare. Unsurprisingly, these two lenses are almost identical, except in price. So, is it worth spending more for the 1.4? I don't think so. Sure, it is brighter, the depth of field is a bit shallower, bokeh balls are a bit bigger, but it also has more chromatic aberration. If that and the higher price tag are not a problem for you, sure, go for it, but for most people, the 1.7 will be plenty enough. That's it for today. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!